вже з подогрівом. Раз, два. Може ніяких секретів. Все, так делать не надо.
To remove the door trim on an old Toyota Highlander, unscrew this button, unscrew the bolt. Here it is, there it is, there's a hole there to remove this handle. You need to press it all the way, then press this little red button that closes the doors. Only then can we pull it out. No more secrets, that's it, it's got it. And before that, did you click it? Yes, the latches, here they are, can you show me? 1, 2, yeah, 3 on this side, and just lift it up, that's it. Probably, yes. 1, it'll rise, yes.
Да. Раз.
1. You don't have to do that, you don't have to do that, it's there. Even with the heating, oh. It turns out it's on 2 bolts, it's on 3, yes. There, the operation. The connector. You even have to remove the connector on the mirror. No one has removed it at all. No. Big deal. Inserted the wrong way around. Easier to insert the button if it's not in the same position. As it was before, we move it back a bit and we'll have more access to this latch. It's all great, it's in place, all that's now is to screw it on. Yeah, now we're getting into the pass. Putting the handle on. Just a little effort. The clips, just great. It didn't break. Everything's in place, now we'll screw